What's up, tech lovers? Great to have you back. Let's jump right into today's fascinating tech discovery. Today, we're going to explore an incredible piece of technology that's been making waves in the world of printing, and I'm super excited to share it with you. Say hello to the A4 DTF printer, a game-changing device that's about to take your printing experience to a whole new level. With its impressive array of features, this printer is a must-have for anyone looking to create stunning, high-quality prints with ease. One of the standout features of the A4 DTF printer is its incredibly high accuracy. This printer blends the latest motherboard and XP600 printhead to deliver vibrant colors, crisp details, and rich saturation. With an ultra-clear maximum resolution of 576-01440 dpi. Whether you're printing photos, designs, or patterns, the A4 DTF printer ensures that every detail is captured with precision, resulting in prints that are truly breathtaking. The CMYK LCLM or CMYK Plus 2W6 color channels provide a wide range of colors, and the printing range of no length limit up to 8.6 inches in width gives you the freedom to print anything you want. Imagine being able to print your favorite designs or photos with stunning clarity and accuracy. It's a reality with the A4 DTF printer. But that's not all. The A4 DTF printer also boasts an excellent printing speed. With the stable XP600 printhead and both sheet and roll feeding system, this printer can print twice as fast as the previous L1800/ or 1390/L805 printers, with a printing speed of about 30 seconds in photo mode. This means you can print more in less time, making it perfect for businesses or individuals who need to produce a high volume of prints quickly. Whether you're printing t-shirts, hats, or other merchandise, the A4 DTF printer's speed and efficiency will save you time and increase your productivity. Another innovative feature of the A4 DTF printer is its white ink mixing and circulation system. This system ensures that the ink is evenly distributed throughout the nozzle, resulting in clearer and finer printed patterns and more vivid colors. The system also monitors the use of the ink in real time, preventing the nozzle from clogging and ensuring that the ink is always in the best condition. This means you can say goodbye to clogged nozzles and hello to consistent, high-quality prints. The white ink mixing and circulation system is a game-changer for anyone who wants to produce professional-looking prints with ease. The A4 DTF printer also comes with a smooth paper suction system, which keeps the transfer film smooth and crease-free during printing. The reliable paper in slash-out system ensures a seamless, hassle-free printing experience with no more paper jams. This means you can focus on creating your designs and prints without worrying about the technical aspects of printing. The A4 DTF printer is designed to make printing easy and enjoyable, and its smooth paper suction system is just one of the many features that make it a joy to use. But what really sets the A4 DTF printer apart is its versatility. It's compatible with a wide range of fabrics, from cotton and polyester to leather, denim, and athletic mesh. This means you can print your designs onto t-shirts, hats, handbags, pillows, shoes, socks, hoodies, cushions, and more. The possibilities are endless, and the A4 DTF printer gives you the freedom to express your creativity and bring your ideas to life. Whether you're a business owner, an artist, or a hobbyist, the A4 DTF printer is the perfect tool for anyone who wants to produce high-quality prints with ease. In conclusion, the A4 DTF printer is an incredible piece of technology that's sure to revolutionize the way you print. With its high accuracy, excellent printing speed, white ink mixing and circulation system, smooth paper suction system, and versatility, this printer is a must-have for anyone who wants to produce stunning, high-quality prints. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on the A4 DTF printer today and take your printing experience to the next level. Don't miss out on this opportunity to unlock your creativity and bring your ideas to life. Get ready to print like a pro with the A4 DTF printer.